If you've ever created embroidery for groups like matching hats for sports teams or polo shirts for corporate businesses, you know how important it is for your placement to be exact and match across all the pieces in the set. To solve this problem, PE Design Next from Brother comes with a new name drop feature, which allows you to create a pattern once and easily replace the names within the pattern, ensuring they are uniform across your order. Easy to learn and easy to use. This feature is a must-have when every inch matters. Begin by opening Layout and Editing. When the wizard appears, click New. Click on the Design Settings tool and choose the machine type, single needle or multi-needle. Select the hoop size for your project and click OK. Click on the Import Pattern tool and choose Import from Design Library. The Design Library has multiple categories of designs. Click on the category pull-down arrow and left mouse click on the Sports category. Click on the soccer ball and click Import. The design will appear in the center of the screen. Close the import window by clicking on the X at the top right of the window. Click on the Text tool. Choose the first tool from the menu and then choose a font style from the Font Style pull-down menu. Click on the Design page above the soccer ball to activate the Text tool. Type in your text directly on the Design page. Lady Raiders. And press Enter on the keyboard. In the Text Attributes tab on the right side of the screen, place a check mark in front of Transform and choose the Arc Text transformation. Adjust the transformation level to arc the text more by holding the left mouse button down and dragging the diamond tool inward. Release the mouse button when the arc is visually appealing. To add a name to the bottom of the design, click on the Text tool. Choose the first tool from the menu. Click on the Design page below the soccer ball to activate the Text tool. And type in the longest name on the team or group and press Enter on the keyboard. Since the last operation we performed with text was an arc text transformation, that effect is still applied. Click on the check mark in front of Transform to remove the transformation. If you need to adjust the position of either set of lettering, left mouse click and drag them into position. Release the mouse when the lettering is in position. Make sure you have a crosshatch cursor before attempting to move the lettering. Click on the Arrange tab. Click on the Select tool down arrow and choose Select All. Click on the Align tool. and choose Center. This will center the design with the lettering. Click on the Align tool and choose Move to Center. This will move the embroidery design to the center of the design page. To set up the name drop field, we need to first click off the design to deselect everything, and then click on the bottom text. In the Text Attributes window on the right side of the screen, locate the word Name Drop. Scroll down if necessary. Put a check mark in front of Name Drop. A red dashed line will appear around the text. This indicates Name Drop has been applied. Put a check mark in front of Maintain Aspect Ratio. This will keep the text proportional. From the Flower pull-down menu, choose Save As. Choose the location to save the design. Name it. And click Save. To use the Name Drop pattern, on the Text Attributes tab, click on the Name Drop List button. Click on the blank space in the second row. Click the Edit Text button and type in the next name on the team. Press Enter on the keyboard. Type in a name in the third field and press Enter. Continue until all names have been entered into the list. To output the names, click to Folder. This will put all of the designs into a folder with the substituted names. Click on the File folder to choose a location to save the Name Drop designs. Click on the plus sign next to My Documents. Click on the plus sign next to PE Design Next. Click on the plus sign next to Sample. Click on the plus sign next to Layout and Editing. Click on the Name Drop folder. You can choose an existing location by navigating to the location, or you may create a new folder in the location of your choice. Once you have located the Name Drop folder and clicked on it, click OK. In the File name box, type in a name for the designs. Click OK. Wait a few minutes and the name drops will output to that folder. Click OK and then click Cancel. You will be returned to the Layout and Editing Design page. To locate the designs and send them all to a USB media or write them all to a card, we will go to the Design database. Click on the Option pull-down menu and choose Design Database. Click on the plus sign next to My Documents, or Library, and then Documents. Click on the plus sign next to PE Design Next. Click on the plus sign next to Sample. Click on the plus sign next to Layout and Editing. Click on the Name Drop folder. All of the Name Drop designs you created will appear in the window. place a USB disk into the computer. In the Send To window, choose USB disk. Click on the design you wish to send to the USB disk and click on the blue arrow in the center of the window. To select multiple designs, you may hold down the Control key on the keyboard and click on the designs to send to the machine, and then click the blue arrow. Click the Write to USB disk button. When they have been sent, the Finished Outputting Data message will appear. Click OK. Safely eject the hardware and take the USB disk to the embroidery machine.